Welcome to this session on accessing and utilizing standard reports in SAP. In this lesson, you'll explore how to locate, execute, and customize pre-built reports that span across SAP modules such as sales and distribution, logistics, finance, human resources, and more. You'll learn how to sort and filter data using the SAP List Viewer, ALV, save custom layouts, export results, and use reporting variants to streamline routine analysis. SAP reporting isn't just about pulling numbers, it's about turning transactional data into actionable insights that drive business decisions. These standard reports are designed to give users at every level, from operational teams to executives, access to the metrics they need when they need them. Let's bring this into a real world context with Pepsi, a global company that relies on accurate real-time reporting to support every corner of its operation. Imagine Pepsi's procurement team in Spain reviewing vendor performance reports to evaluate which suppliers delivered on time last quarter. Using SAP's standard reports under the materials management module, they can instantly analyze delivery timelines, pricing consistency, and order accuracy. At the same time, a sales manager in South Africa opens a customer sales analysis report to identify product performance by region using built-in filters to narrow results to the top-selling SKUs this month. Meanwhile, logistics teams in Canada use stock movement and aging reports to optimize warehouse space by reviewing slow-moving inventory. And back in the US, finance analysts are using the SAP List Viewer to create a monthly spend report, exporting it to Excel and applying subtotals and filters for a leadership presentation. Pepsi also leverages the power of variants to streamline recurring reporting tasks. For example, budget analysts save selection criteria in variants so they can regenerate the same reports monthly with just one click, eliminating repetitive entries and reducing errors. And with the system's flexible search features, any team member can quickly locate unfamiliar reports using wildcard terms like sales or vendor, ensuring they always find what they need, even when details are unclear. Think about your own role. How often do you need to track performance, validate data, or generate summaries for management? Are you using standard reports effectively? Could saved layouts or variants save time and ensure consistency in how you present data? Let's get started and explore how SAP's standard reporting capabilities help you stay informed, work smarter, and make decisions based on real-time insights. SAP provides a variety of pre-built standard reports covering numerous business functions, enabling effective management and decision-making across different business areas. These comprehensive reports span multiple modules such as sales, purchasing, logistics, human resources, and accounting, ensuring that you have precise and detailed information available at your fingertips. To access standard reports within SAP, first open the SAP Easy Access menu, which serves as your main dashboard for navigating applications and reports. From there, navigate to the relevant module that pertains to your reporting needs. For example, sales and distribution, finance, or logistics. Within each of these modules, select the Information System option, which is specifically dedicated to reporting and analysis tasks. Let's explore the logistics reports in detail as an example. Navigate from the Easy Access menu by expanding the Logistics folder, followed by Logistics Controlling, and then select Logistics Information System. In this section, reports are systematically organized by specific business functions, allowing you to effortlessly locate reports that match your requirements. Each report within this system is tailored to offer detailed insights into logistics operations, inventory management, shipping processes, and other critical logistics activities. Similarly, for the sales module, you can explore a wide range of specialized reports. To do this, navigate from the SAP Easy Access menu to Sales and then select the relevant standard analysis reports from the Information System section. For instance, let's specifically access the Customer Sales Analysis report. This report provides comprehensive insights into customer purchasing patterns, sales performance by customer segments, product sales volumes, and revenue data. Utilizing this report can significantly enhance your understanding of sales trends, enabling informed strategic decisions. To perform further data analysis outside the SAP environment, reports can be conveniently exported into various external formats such as Microsoft Excel, PDF, or CSV files. This capability enhances flexibility in data analysis, presentation, and sharing. One of the powerful tools for enhancing report usability in SAP is the SAP List Viewer, ALV. The ALV significantly improves how data within reports is displayed, analyzed, and managed. With ALV, you can quickly sort and filter report data to focus on specific items of interest. It also allows users to adjust column layouts to customize how the information is presented, creating an optimal viewing experience tailored to specific analysis needs. Furthermore, ALV enables the easy creation of subtotals and grand totals, facilitating deeper analysis at various summary levels. The ALV tool also provides seamless functionality to export data into common external formats like Excel spreadsheets and PDF documents. You can also modify the report layout by removing unnecessary fields or adding fields based on your specific requirements. To further enhance usability, SAP allows you to save your customized layouts for future reuse, ensuring consistency and efficiency in repeated analysis tasks. Variants in SAP provide an essential feature for saving and reusing specific report selection criteria. This capability helps avoid the repetitive manual entry of parameters every time a report is run. To create a variant, simply navigate to your desired standard report and click on the Save icon. Alternatively, you can use the menu path Variants, Save as Variant. After providing a descriptive and easily identifiable variant name, save your variant. To reuse the variant, open the respective report, navigate to Variants, Get, select your saved variant from the available list, and click Execute. Utilizing variants streamlines routine reporting tasks by automatically pre-filling selection criteria, considerably enhancing productivity and accuracy. Given SAP's extensive reporting capabilities across various business areas, it may sometimes be challenging to locate a specific report. To address this, SAP offers a useful reporting search function to help you quickly identify the appropriate standard report. To utilize this feature, navigate from the SAP Easy Access menu to System Services Reporting. Here, if you know the exact name or part of the report's name, enter it directly into the program field. Click Execute to run the selected report immediately. In cases where the exact report name is unknown, SAP supports wildcard searches to broaden your search criteria. For example, typing sales as a wildcard in the program field will yield a list of all reports containing the word sales, allowing you to easily find and execute the relevant reports. This flexible search capability ensures that you efficiently locate reports, regardless of how much detail you initially recall, ultimately saving valuable time and effort. Through these comprehensive reporting capabilities and powerful tools like ALV and variants, SAP significantly simplifies data management, analysis, and reporting processes, enabling more informed and effective business decisions. Excellent work! You've now completed this in-depth session on SAP's standard reporting capabilities. You've learned how to locate reports across modules, sort and analyze data using the SAP List Viewer ALV, customize your layouts, save variants, and export results for further analysis in tools like Excel or PDF. These features are more than just reporting, they form the foundation of data driven business decisions. SAP's standard reports help reduce guesswork, improve operational transparency, and empower teams to respond faster and smarter to evolving needs. Let's return to Pepsi for a final reflection. With a presence in more than 200 countries, Pepsi depends on accurate, timely data to coordinate global operations. Whether it's identifying underperforming suppliers, tracking regional product demand, or analyzing delivery accuracy, SAP reports allow Pepsi's leaders and teams to turn data into strategy. These reports aren't just reviewed, they guide actions, shape budgets, and support supplier negotiations worldwide. By using saved variants, customized layouts, and built in export tools, Pepsi reduces manual effort, increases reporting consistency, and ensures that critical insights are always accessible, even across language barriers and time zones. Now think about your own team. Are you still generating reports manually each week? Could layout customization or parameter variants speed up recurring analysis? Do you know how to use SAP's search tools to find reports, even if you only know a keyword? With these skills, you're ready to shift from just reporting data to owning it, interpreting, customizing, and presenting it in ways that drive real impact. Keep exploring SAP's reporting tools. You're building the kind of insight that businesses rely on to succeed.